Hello, and thank you so much for clicking on the video. Today we are going on a staycation to one of our very favorite properties on the Las Vegas Strip, the Flamingo. We love the Flamingo for a number of reasons. It's pretty much in the center of the strip across from Caesar's Palace, and so any room that you get is really going to have probably a pretty amazing view because of everything around it. The pool is amazing. The history is amazing. It's one of the original casinos on the strip. It's got that Bugsy Siegel connection, the connection to the mob. Plus, I just love flamingos, and it's a really cool property. Come check it out with us.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive.
There are two main pools at the Flamingo. There's the beach club, which is the family pool, and then the one that we're looking at right now, which is the Go pool. It's the 21 and over pool. So it's much more of a party scene, loud music, but looks like a good time. Okay, headed back inside. Just want to take a second to appreciate this amazing flamingo sign. On the way to check in, we noticed that some of the bars and restaurants were still closed. Not sure if it's COVID related or workforce related, but we did notice some of them were still closed.
Lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say.
Flamingos!
Oh, look at those ones. They got some really cool. We got ones.
Yeah.
Look at the cool ones they got.
Oh, nice. We'll come back and look. When we first got there to check in, we were a little confused because our email said that there was a self-service kiosk to check in, but there was still a line. This is a big downside. You have to wait in a room for a line, for a self-service kiosk. Crazy. Especially when MGM sends it right to your phone.
Glad I dressed up. It's 8,001. What's the room?
8,001.
Oh, it's right there. Where did you get that call? Can you just right there?
Nope, it's always at the end of the hall.
It is, huh?
Always. Morning. Afternoon.
We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive.
Okay, stand-up shower. You got the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Toilet. And then we got a hair dryer, toilet paper, nice vanity. Very cool. I love the material. Nice mirror. We got the makeup mirror, swivels forward. And then we got hand wash and hand lotion. Very cool. You come in here. Apparently, if you get an adjoining room, that's the door. And then this one, I think they said is a 65-inch TV. And then over here, I'm not sure what that is, maybe a 40-inch. And the bed, we got a king bed. We got a nice table here. We got a retro, this thing's in the way, but a retro flamingo picture, which is cool. Thermostat. Here's the bedroom area. They have nice chargers I was noticing on the side of the beds over here, plugs and USB ports for days. See what's in here. Some storage space. We got a safe, more storage space. Ooh, and a fridge. Nice, so you got an empty mini fridge to store your stuff. That's pretty cool, because not all Vegas hotel rooms come with that. Very cool. Love the pink couches. And this, love that material. But the view is pretty cool. Don't let it fool you. It's a warm day. It just looks kind of crappy, but we have the high roller. That's the Go pool, the 21 and older pool. And then this is the family pool over here. And then we got the Flamingo habitat and Carlos and Charlie's. Very nice. Got the Linq across there, Harrah's and the Venetian in the background, the Wynn. Very cool. You want to go on the high roller? Awesome. I loved the proximity of the pool to the elevators. So it's really easy to get to the pool from your room. Just take the elevator down and go straight out the doors. That was really cool that it was so close.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark.
They were giving out all kinds of floaties, which was really fun. Flamingos, obviously, and they had some Truly inner tubes and some Hawaiian Tropic blow-up suntan bottles, and then those beach balls, so it made it a really fun atmosphere. The beach club pool is a little bit more tame than the Go pool because this one is the family pool, but you can definitely still hear the music from the Go pool. You still have that view of the high roller behind you, all of the palm trees. It's really fun. At the end of the pool is the bar and grill, where you can get things like chicken fingers and fries and snacks of that kind. And then you can also get margaritas, beer, wine, soft drinks, water. Cute little place.
Lights a spark, like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers.
We had been at the pool for a few hours. It was getting kind of crowded. We were getting kind of tired. And so we decided to go take a walk around the grounds, look at the flamingos, look at the fish, and then go get something to eat at the Linq promenade, which is pretty close.
And the waterfall.
I got a little sun today. How about you, Stephanie?
What's good, bro?
What you got? Buddha?
See, the fan signifies that you're, you know, waving away all your obstacles, and the fish means abundance.
Nice. Oh my god.
I'm gonna walk around the street.
When you go back in the doors near the flamingo habitat, you just turn right, go down a small hallway, and then you can go right out to the Linq promenade. Very easy to get to. It does. Oh, cool.
Look at all the beer on tap there.
Nice. And here's what we're looking for. In and out. Yeah, that looks nice, huh? Oh, shoot. We had paid an extra $20 to check in early. We got there about 1 p.m. This was about 4:30, 5 o'clock, and as you can see, the line got really, really long to check in for the self-service kiosk. So just be aware, if you're not paying for early check-in, there's probably going to be a line. No key to activate them, right?
Nope.
Oh,
Girls.
that's where you should go.
Look out here, I need you to film all this. There's the Paris.
Got the Cromwell.
There's
that
beach
pool
club.
up on top of that roof. The top of the Paris valleys. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Let us know if you have any questions about the Flamingo or other suggestions, and have a fabulous day.